I think the one that I'm cooking up in my brain that I'm excited about, and I think some of the community will be too, is I want to try and arrange at least one old school X-ball match. And I want to partner, figuring that it's going to be mostly us old heads that are going out there to do that. I want to partner with one of the breweries and try and do a little after party.
Okay.
Make it a little bit of a day. Maybe do it in the morning and then have like the afternoon at
That'd be dope.
Half or Irish Mafia or one of the breweries nearby, and just kind of hang out, see what we can do from getting some of our sponsors to throw in some things and make it fun. I think that's really it. We're trying not to take ourselves too seriously, but what we do it well, and hopefully do it a little different than people have seen in the past.
I love that. Let's go. Let's cook. Let's cook.